Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mystics Dreaming is Believing Accessible Tech. And today we will start working with the quick accesses. We will start working with the Microsoft Accessibility Insights for web version. Although we are also have installed already the for Windows version, but later in these quick accesses you will need them. So first of all, we are clicking on Accessibility Web Insights for Web, and we are having this pane, and then we are having quick accesses. And as, as it is saying, it runs 10 assisted checks to find more accessibility insights. You will also see that it's going in way more detail. I click on quick accesses and I swipe this window to here so they can be beautiful next to each other. Perfect. And you see the overview, but I did not have started with testing. So from here on, we can start. We are starting with the automated checks, and it's also going to test the automated checks. And you are seeing there is one color contrast issue. How is it possible? Here in the bottom, I know this is not accessible, but this is because I am making this site to test and to learn you about accessibility. So if everything should be accessible, it is also not working. And I can test this with the visual helper, and you are seeing it is that dreaming is believing thing. And so it is this test, the automated checks is the same as in the fast pass, but all the other elements have, let's say, their other details and details to work on. Thank you. From the automated checks, we are going to keyboard navigation and we are seeing what to do. So users must be able to navigate to all interactive elements using a keyboard. I turn on the visual helper, and what I need to do, I need to use the keyboard to navigate to the interactive interface components in the target page. I should navigate with tab and shift tab, and I should also, if there is a keyboard trap, I should notice it. So a keyboard trap is an element inside an element that you can't escape it, keyboard only. If there is hidden things that's coming up, I should navigate it, and if I cannot click it and do something with it, it is wrong. So I should say fail, and all the interactive elements should be focusable. So this is an interactive element. A button, a link is also interactive, but static text is not interactive. And if anything is wrong, just one error, you should already say it is failing. So let's refresh and start tabbing. It's always great if you are explaining stuff and clicking into the document already before you're doing the test that you first click on hit refresh. I can skip to main context. I see the training. I see my email address. I can click enter here to do the interaction. I see the link to home, the link to services, the link to team, resources, book training. Now I'm tabbing again. I go again to my email address and I'm going to the burger menu again. I press enter. I escape the menu and I'm here on my email Denny. I can reach book training. I see my email, I can reach it. I see book session, schedule training, start the conversation, my email address, and the quick links, and then the footer. Now I am pressing my shift and I press tab again. I'm going in the other direction. And you should look at it if it is a logical order. And even before you are pressing tab, you should think what is the next logical thing. So here it is start the conversation. No, it is schedule training, it's working. Book your session, email, book training, email, the menu, pressing enter, pressing shift tab, I escape the menu. Pressing tab, I go to home. Pressing tab, I go to services. Pressing tab, I go to team. Pressing tab, I go to resources. Pressing tab, I book training. I go to book training. Pressing shift tab, I should go to resources. I should go to team, services, home. Dreaming is believing again. Perfect. Shift tab. My email, skip to main. Perfect. And then my email. Perfect. It is working. I can click pause. You also see here why is matter. So that is really important for people are relying on the keyboard. For example, people having low vision or people having assistive technology instead of keyboard and mice. Now I can click here on link purpose. I go here to home. I click refresh. And let's have a look. The purpose of the link should be described in its link element alone. Um, and it should be this it should be clear. And if it's not in the link text alone, it should be in the surrounding elements next to the link. And for each instances list, I need to look if it's going to the document or the website that it is saying, or if it's going to a different location. We are need to say, and then it is if it's doing what he is saying, it is passing. If it's navigating to the wrong element or to a wrong element or page that doesn't exist, it is failing. Okay, let's start the visual helper. And we can do this just with mouse. It is not needed to test this with the keyboard. But here I click on the email address for I skip to main context is on the top. Okay, this is working. Email address should open a link. Should open my mailbox with a new email already. Perfect. Home here, that should go to my home. So the home page of the website. This is not the home page. So let's test this. It is going to my home page. Now I see here a pane saying that this assessment is going on another page and what to do. So let's go back to the team page and it is gone. But also, unfortunately, so and that it worked. But unfortunately, my boxes are away. So nothing is what's there. What are we going to do? We turn it on. Still not working. Damn. This is a bug in the accessibility insights for web, but we can fix this with going back to keyboard navigation, going back to link purpose and turn it on. So if you go to another pane, you can reset the progress of the markings here, but this progress is still saved. Services, so let's have a look where services is. You can also turn them off and only turn one on, then you see where they are. Services is So this is here services. Um, email. Okay. Schedule start. It is this one. Okay. Okay. So it should be that one. Home. Okay. Services. Team. Is it going to team? It's working because it is the page. Go to here. So the boxes are gone. I need to go again. Go again. And we can click on resources. Resources is working. Go back. Go back. Go to here. That is working. Click on. So services work. Team worked. And then we have resources. If we click on it, resources, it's working. Go back. Go to here. Go to here. Clicking. It's working. Turn it off again. Resources is working. Book training. Where is book training? That one. That one. Book training. Okay. Working. Here you are seeing email Danny. In fact, to test book training, if it's working, we should click on it. It's working. Perfect. Going back. Turn them on. Email. Is it opening a mail? It's working. Passing. Email is also working. So there were two email buttons. Okay. Now we are having that email was this. Now we're having book training again. Okay. Book your session. Schedule training. Start conversation is opening a mail with an additional inquiry. Okay. And we are seeing here an email again without additional subject. Working. Services. Working. Book training. Working. Resources. Working. Testimonials. Working. Accessibility statement. Oh, that's not working. So we are going to a page that doesn't exist, and unfortunately then you will see the crash in Microsoft Accessibility Insights for Web will even be bigger. So it will also, if you go to here, it will not go back. It will not go back. So the communication is lost here. What are you doing? All those stuff is saved. What we're going to do, we are closing Accessibility Insights for Web. We are open it again. Quick accesses. We swipe it here. And the links are back. And everything is saved. And we have the privacy policy. Oh my god. Also an error. It's not there in the website. And we get to image function. So I test the first three elements of quick assesses. And in the next videos, we are going to mock assessments and we are going to save the whole assessment process. And we are going to make sure that the website we are building is fully accessible as it should to include all the people with disabilities.